What if everything you thought you knew about weight loss and muscle growth was wrong? Forget endless hours at the gym, restrictive diets, and exhausting routines. Science has just flipped the script with a revolutionary drug that promises to burn 20% of your body fat and build lean muscle, all without breaking a sweat. Yes, you heard that right. No diet, no exercise, just results. Sounds too good to be true? That's exactly why this breakthrough is shaking up the health and fitness world. For years, people have struggled with stubborn fat and slow muscle growth, blaming their genetics or lack of time. But what if the problem wasn't you? It was the outdated methods you've been told to follow. This drug doesn't just target fat, it goes after the most dangerous kind. Visceral fat, the stuff that clings to your organs and wreaks havoc on your metabolism. And the muscle growth, it's not just for bodybuilders. Imagine gaining strength and definition while simply living your life. Intrigued yet? Here's the kicker. This isn't some far-off dream. Clinical studies are already proving its effectiveness, with users reporting life-changing transformations in less than a year. But how does it work? And could this be the solution you've been waiting for? Let's dive in and uncover the science behind this game-changing innovation. Imagine a world where building muscle and losing fat doesn't require endless hours at the gym or strict dieting. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Enter actin antagonists, a groundbreaking class of drugs that's rewriting the rules of fitness and health. These medications promise a 3–4% increase in lean muscle mass and a 20% reduction in body fat, all without lifting a single dumbbell or counting calories. It's like having a personal trainer in a pill, one that works tirelessly while you go about your day. But how does it all work? Let's dive deeper. Here's the kicker. These drugs don't just target surface-level fat. They go straight for the visceral fat, the stubborn kind that wraps around your organs and messes with your metabolism. Think of it as decluttering your body's storage room, making space for better health and energy. And the muscle growth? That's not just for show. It's functional, sustainable, and happens even if you're sitting at your desk. Imagine gaining muscle while binge-watching your favorite series. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But this isn't just about aesthetics. The implications are far-reaching, from helping those with metabolic disorders to supporting athletes during recovery. The science is so advanced that it's hard not to get excited about what's coming next. And trust me, the mechanism behind this innovation is even more fascinating than the results. Ready to uncover the secret behind this revolutionary breakthrough? The magic behind actin antagonists lies in their ability to block ACTR2 receptors, which are notorious for limiting muscle growth. Think of ACTR2 as a brake pedal on your body's muscle-building engine. These drugs essentially release that brake, allowing your body to enter a state of constant protein synthesis. The result? Continuous muscle growth, even when you're not actively working out. It's like flipping a switch that keeps your muscles in growth mode 24/7, no matter what you're doing. But that's not all. These medications also trigger a fascinating transformation in your fat cells. By targeting white fat, the inactive, stubborn kind, and encouraging it to behave like brown fat, they supercharge your body's ability to burn calories. Brown fat is like your body's internal furnace, burning energy to generate heat. Imagine turning your fat into a calorie-burning machine, even while you're sitting on the couch. That's the kind of efficiency we're talking about here, and the ripple effects are incredible. As your body builds muscle and burns fat, your overall energy expenditure increases. Studies show that users burn an extra 200 calories per day without changing their diet or activity levels. It's like having a bonus workout built into your metabolism. But what's even more impressive is how this process works seamlessly with your body's natural systems. The clinical results of actin antagonists are nothing short of jaw-dropping. Imagine reducing the most dangerous type of fat, visceral fat, by a significant margin, all while gaining lean muscle. This isn't just about looking good. It's about transforming your health from the inside out. Studies have shown that these drugs can increase daily energy expenditure by 200 calories, even if you're sitting at a desk all day. That's like burning off a small meal without lifting a finger. It's no wonder researchers are calling this a game changer. What's even more fascinating is how effective these medications are for people who are typically considered hard cases. Sedentary individuals, those struggling with obesity, or even people with metabolic disorders, have experienced muscle growth and fat loss without making drastic lifestyle changes. For example, one study documented patients losing inches off their waistlines and gaining muscle mass, all while maintaining their usual routines. It's like upgrading your body's operating system without needing to reboot your life. But here's where it gets even better. The fat loss isn't just superficial. These drugs target deep subcutaneous fat and visceral fat, which are linked to serious health risks like diabetes and heart disease. And the best part? There's no rebound effect. Unlike crash diets or extreme workout regimens, the results are sustainable. But what happens when these drugs are combined with other cutting-edge treatments? When actin antagonists are paired with modern weight loss medications like GLP-1 agonists or tirzepatide, the results go from impressive to downright extraordinary. Imagine this. While GLP-1 drugs alone can lead to around 16% fat loss, combining them with actin antagonists pushes that number up to a staggering 22%. And here's the kicker. This enhanced fat loss comes with 90% muscle preservation, even during aggressive calorie deficits. It's like having the best of both worlds, rapid fat loss without sacrificing the muscle you've worked so hard to build. But the benefits don't stop at aesthetics. These combinations have shown remarkable improvements in glycemic control, making them a powerful tool for managing diabetes. Patients have reported significant reductions in A1C levels, a key marker for blood sugar control. For someone struggling with insulin resistance or prediabetes, this could be life-changing. Imagine not just losing weight, but also regaining control over your metabolism and energy levels. That's the kind of transformation these protocols can deliver. The synergy between these drugs is a testament to how far medical science has come. By targeting multiple pathways, fat loss, muscle growth, and metabolic health, these treatments offer a holistic approach to body transformation. And the best part? This isn't just for elite athletes or fitness enthusiasts. Everyday people are seeing results that were once thought impossible. So, who exactly can benefit the most from these breakthroughs? Who stands to benefit the most from actin antagonists? The answer might surprise you. First, there are individuals looking for intense fat loss or muscle gain without the time or ability to commit to rigorous exercise routines. Think of busy professionals, parents juggling multiple responsibilities, or even those recovering from injuries. For them, this medication offers a way to achieve results that were once only possible through hours of training and strict dieting. Then, there are athletes and fitness enthusiasts, especially those dealing with injuries or periods of inactivity. Imagine being sidelined from your favorite sport or workout routine, but still maintaining or even increasing your muscle mass. That's the kind of edge actin antagonists provide. It's like having a safety net for your fitness goals, ensuring you don't lose progress during setbacks. For athletes, this could mean the difference between staying competitive or falling behind. Finally, this breakthrough is a game changer for individuals with obesity or metabolic disorders. These medications don't just help with weight loss. They improve overall metabolic health, targeting visceral fat and enhancing glucose control. For someone struggling with conditions like diabetes or insulin resistance, this isn't just about aesthetics. It's about reclaiming their health and vitality. But as with any medical innovation, there are always considerations to keep in mind. Like any medical breakthrough, actin antagonists come with a few side effects. But the good news is that they're generally mild and manageable. Some users report experiencing flu-like symptoms during the initial stages of treatment, which typically subside as the body adjusts. Others may notice redness on the skin, caused by increased blood flow in superficial capillaries. These effects, while noticeable, are temporary and rarely interfere with daily life. It's like a small price to pay for the incredible benefits these medications offer. In rare cases, there have been reports of elevated hemoglobin levels or slight increases in liver enzymes, which is why regular blood monitoring is a must during treatment. Think of it as a precautionary measure to ensure everything stays on track. With proper medical supervision, these risks are easily mitigated. For example, routine blood tests can catch any irregularities early, allowing adjustments to the dosage or treatment plan if needed. It's all about staying proactive and informed. The key to minimizing side effects lies in personalized treatment plans and working closely with healthcare providers. This ensures that the medication is tailored to your unique needs and health profile. And while the side effects are minor, the benefits far outweigh the risks for most people. But how exactly do these treatments work over time, and what kind of commitment do they require? The treatment protocols for actin antagonists are designed to be both effective and manageable. Typically, patients receive either intravenous infusions or subcutaneous injections every 4 weeks. This schedule ensures a steady and sustained effect, allowing the body to continuously build muscle and burn fat. Over the course of 6 to 12 months, the results are nothing short of transformative. Imagine losing 4 inches off your waistline in less than a year without drastic lifestyle changes. It's like unlocking a cheat code for your body. One of the most remarkable aspects of this treatment is the consistent fat loss it delivers. Studies show that patients can lose up to 1 pound of fat per week, even when combining the medication with other therapies. This isn't just about quick fixes. It's about creating sustainable, long-term results. For example, someone struggling with stubborn visceral fat can see measurable improvements in their health metrics, like reduced waist circumference and improved metabolic markers, all within a structured timeline. The beauty of this protocol lies in its adaptability. Whether you're looking for a standalone solution or a complement to existing weight loss strategies, these treatments can be tailored to fit your goals. And with advancements on the horizon, the process is only going to get more convenient. The future of actin antagonists is as exciting as it is groundbreaking. Imagine a world where you no longer need to visit a clinic for injections. Soon, at-home subcutaneous treatments will allow users to self-administer doses every 6 to 8 weeks, making the process more convenient than ever. And that's just the beginning. Scientists are already working on oral ACTR2 blockers, which could hit the market by 2030, offering an even simpler way to achieve muscle growth and fat loss without invasive procedures. But the innovations don't stop there. One of the most futuristic developments involves smart patches, wearable devices capable of monitoring your body's muscle growth and fat-burning rates in real time. These patches could automatically adjust the medication dosage based on your body's needs, ensuring optimal results with minimal effort. It's like having a personal trainer and a nutritionist built into a tiny device on your skin. The convenience and precision of these technologies are set to redefine how we approach health and fitness. And if that wasn't enough, the long-term vision includes genetic modifications to silence molecules like myostatin and actin permanently. Imagine unlocking your body's full potential with a single treatment that lasts a lifetime. While these advancements may sound like science fiction, they're closer than you think. But as these technologies evolve, so do the ethical considerations surrounding their use. As groundbreaking as actin antagonists are, they spark a heated debate about ethics and responsible use. Should these medications be available to anyone looking for a shortcut to fitness, or should they be reserved for those with medical needs? While diet and exercise remain the gold standard for health, these drugs offer a way to achieve results that traditional methods often can't deliver. The key lies in using them as a complement, not a replacement, to a healthy lifestyle. It's like adding a turbocharger to an already well-tuned engine. Powerful, but only when used wisely. The conversation also extends to fairness and accessibility. If these treatments become widely available, will they create a divide between those who can afford them and those who can't? Imagine athletes gaining an unfair advantage or individuals overusing the medication to chase unrealistic body goals. These scenarios highlight the importance of regulation and education, ensuring that these innovations are used responsibly and ethically. After all, the goal is to enhance health, not create new problems. Ultimately, the responsibility falls on both the medical community and individuals to strike a balance. These medications have the potential to transform lives, but only if used with care and respect for their power. As we look toward the future, it's clear that these advancements come with both incredible opportunities and significant responsibilities. But what about availability? The wait for actin antagonists to hit the market might not be as long as you think. Current projections suggest that these revolutionary drugs including bimagrumab, could be available to the public as early as 2027, pending regulatory approval. With Phase 3 clinical trials already underway, researchers are fine-tuning the treatment to ensure both safety and efficacy. It's like watching the final pieces of a puzzle come together, with the promise of a life-changing solution just around the corner. But what does this mean for you? If you're someone eager to tap into this innovation, the next few years will be crucial. As these drugs move closer to approval, healthcare providers will begin preparing for their integration into treatment plans. Imagine walking into your doctor's office in 2027 and discussing a personalized protocol to help you achieve your fitness and health goals. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that's rapidly approaching. Of course, the road to market availability isn't without its challenges. Regulatory bodies like the FDA are meticulously reviewing the data to ensure these treatments are safe for widespread use. And while the timeline is promising, it's important to stay informed and patient. After all, the best things in life are worth waiting for. So, with the horizon looking brighter than ever, what's the next step for those eager to transform their health? The future of health and fitness is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Actin antagonists are not just another fad. They represent a scientific breakthrough that could redefine how we approach fat loss, muscle growth, and overall well-being. Imagine a world where you can achieve your dream body without sacrificing your time, energy, or lifestyle. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about reclaiming your health and unlocking your full potential. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. While these treatments offer incredible benefits, they work best when paired with informed decisions and medical guidance. Whether you're battling stubborn fat, looking to enhance your athletic performance, or simply striving for better health, this revolutionary drug could be the key to your transformation. So, are you ready to take the next step? Stay informed, consult with your healthcare provider, and prepare for a future where achieving your goals is no longer a struggle. The science is here, and the results speak for themselves. Your transformation starts now.